Is today. We started on the 56th floor of the Chase Tower, down to the basement, and ended up in IIT. But we're here, and we're together. I couldn't be more proud of the man you guys have become today, and the people you'll be in the future. I'm not a person of much words, or I will start crying. But with that, I just want to say I couldn't be more proud of everyone. Fellows, parents, I know parents have grown a lot too. We've been talking about the fellows, but a lot of parents walked in with so many questions, not even letting their kid talk, to now in the passenger seat allowing the children to do all the work. So I do want to give a big round of applause to the parents one last time.
Shout out to you.
And before we move on, I do want to give a shout out to 3 individuals. This is kind of the scholarship section, so I do want to shout out our 3 posse recipients. That being Sion Lasada, Gabriel Pena, and Luz Morales Lopez. And in the next slide, you guys are going to get tired of hearing these numbers, but once again, the class of 2026 got over 700 college acceptances and over $28 million in scholarships.
We got some of that
And
money.
with that, the moment we all been waiting for, parents, get your phones out. This is where your fellow will be walking across stage. So, with any further ado, please help me welcome the TFI class of 2026.
Yes, sir.
Starting off with Abraham Altamirano attending UIC.
This that real deal, huh?